Hello traders and welcome to this daily market update. This is the third video that I'm publishing today. So if this is the first time that you are that you are watching these videos, so my name is Mehdi and I'm a day trader. I mainly trade the DAX and I also trade the Forex pair, the Euro Japanese yen Forex pair. I've been trading for 4 years right now and I've been able to become profitable after 2 years, okay, of hard work and trading. I am an engineer, but I've always been interested in fields where your sole competence and your sole talent, without only your talent can talk about can that you only need that the field, sorry about it, I meant that the field where you only need you can beat the others only by using your pure talent, the field that is mainly or the most merit, how do you say merit, where merit is the only thing that prevails. Okay, I'm sorry about this introduction, but I think you know what I mean. So this why I like this field, because you have no manager, you have nothing between you and the market. As soon as you open an account, as soon as you start trading, you are in front of the best in the world, and you can get a little bit, gain a little bit of money out of these huge sums that are being traded and that are being exchanged, that change hands, every day. So trading is hard, but if you know how to do it, if you understand how to do it, if you use a method, and if you start, if you follow your method, simply by following your method, you can become, profitable. For example, here we are drawing a channel. For example, I will just give you this example of a channel. Okay, you have a channel. So some of you would draw this channel and they would stop drawing it as soon as, let's say, or they would stop, taking about it, maybe taking, thinking about it, or even using it as soon as, price comes here, for example, or even here, because they would say maybe the channel is not the right, tool to use in this situation, or maybe it's wrong. But what I've noticed, and this is something that I've noticed, and this is something that I have back tested, is that the most accurate channels, or the strongest resistance or support levels, are in channels that are drawn by, joining the first point, the earliest levels or points in that channel. What I mean by that is that you'll join, this channel has been formed by, by going through these two first points, and it has been successful, as you can see. You see, it has been successful. Why? Because it has joined, because it has used these two first point, and as you can see, the price has dropped, strongly here by touching the upper, the upper boundary of the channel. Okay, anyways, so what do we have now? We have a correction. Okay, and I would expect price, to retest here, to retest the lows. Okay, so expect price to retest the lows. I'll show you. So expect this correction, price to retest here, the 1.68, Fibonacci retracement level. This is the most likely scenario. So trade with care and expect that tomorrow you might have, a move down, and we might, the more price goes down, and the most likely we are going to retest, the March lows. Yeah, so wait for a breakout of this level. For example, you wait for a breakout of this level. So what could you have? You could have this one. You can have price break, like break here, try to break a first time, fails, and then breaks the second time, and then retests this level from, retest this support that becomes a resistance. Okay, so I think it's clear, right? So as soon as it retests the level, then you have an entry point. But of course, if we go, because we can also, like go and retest these highs. So if we retest these highs, wait for price to make a lower high here, and then you can sell. Okay, here a lower high here. So lower high, lower lower high. Okay. Okay, so I will talk to you very soon, because right now we just have, like an impulse and a correction. So usually we have two impulses in moves like this. So and the current move here is a corrective move, and of course it can still correct, and it can still retrace up to the trend line, and if it does, try to find, like an entry point for a sell. Okay, so I'll talk to you by tomorrow.